FengHuang Ancient Town is a historic military garrison city from the Ming and Qing dynasties, carrying over 500 years of history. Today, it's famous for its unique wooden architecture, rich ethnic culture, and its peaceful, romantic river scenery. China has 55 ethnic minority groups, and here the Miao and Tujia people have lived for generations. Their traditional stilted wooden houses, built along the Tujiang River, make clever use of the mountains and water, perfectly adapted to the terrain, and originally designed with both daily life and defense in mind. In the past, FengHuang Ancient Town served as an important frontier post for the central government to manage China's southwest regions. Its old city walls, gates, and military watchtowers still remain, quietly telling the story of how the frontier and the inland interacted in politics, trade, and culture. This town also preserves a wealth of living craftsmanship. Miao silver jewelry is known for its intricate designs inspired by nature and mythology. Tujia brocade, called Zilong Kapu, features bold colors and ancient patterns. Batik, embroidery, and other handmade arts have been passed down for centuries. Every year during the Miao Festival in the 4th lunar month, traditional dances and drum performances bring the whole town to life, showing how these cultures continue to thrive. At night, FengHuang Ancient Town becomes even more romantic. Walking along the Tujiang River, you can admire traditional costumes, silver ornaments, batiks, and woven crafts, taste local minority food, and feel the warmth and energy of the local culture. FengHuang is only about 200 kilometers from Zhangjiajie. From Zhangjiajie railway station, you can take a high-speed train for just 1 hour to reach FengHuang Ancient Town Station. From there, you have 3 ways to get to the old town: the maglev train, the local bus, or a taxi. The ancient town is small and mostly made of stone walkways, so I recommend wearing comfortable flat shoes. Accommodation is divided into 3 main areas along the river. The upper and lower river sections are quiet traditional residential areas. The middle section is the lively commercial zone. Choose your hotel depending on the style of trip you want. Enjoy your journey!